Good morning, guys. As you can see, I'm extremely tired. I'm extremely tired. I played the Mega Millions yesterday. Also got in the lottery pool at work. And we didn't win. So, I've heard that someone in Florida won the Mega Million. One ticket was sold. And I don't know if there was any other tickets, because sometimes you can win like just $1 million. I'm sure there's some tickets out there that have a couple of $1 million on it. But yeah, so someone has that. Let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Ttoo, Ttoo Biosystems. It's looking good, okay? Like I said yesterday in my video, I said that it was going to run up to 30, and we did hit 30. Now it's bouncing around right up under the 30, right? 30 cents. Hold on, guys. Let me get something to drink. I'm so glad the coffee is good today. So glad that they made the coffee correctly. But anyway, do I think we're going to hit 30 again? Yeah, I think we're going to test 30 again. It's struggling to stay at the 30, but once we hit it and go past it to like 31, once we hit like 31, 32, then I think we're going to be okay. I think it's going to try to stay up there. But besides that, it's just looking good right now. It needs to start moving. It needs to start pushing up to 50. We need to hurry up and get up to 40. I think once we get to 40, then 50 is like a no-brainer. Like, it's just going to probably fly to 50. But the ultimate goal is to get to $1, right? So, and that's one of the things I'm betting on. And hopefully they do it before their deadline, okay? Before they need to be in compliance. So it's looking good. It had a lot of volume yesterday. I can't see it now, but I think we was over 200 something million in volume, if I remember right. And it was good. It was good. The earnings call, I think the earnings call went well. I think that's where that spike up came, when it starts spiking up the earnings call. And usually a lot of stocks run, a lot of times when there's good information that come out through a earnings call, the stock will spike. And they did it later in the day, like around, what was it, around 1, if I remember right, after 1. Is when it started running up, and then I seen the earnings call. I listened to just the tail end of it, and then that's it. So I kind of just pieced it, the timing of that plus the spike, exactly when the earnings call was going on. So let's just keep an eye on it. I got some more stocks to look at. You know what? I'm just going to make one video, okay? Let's go ahead and go to, I'm watching this right here, right? Micro Mobility. And I think this is the one that was firmly held bids or something. And I think they're on the verge of being delisted, but I am watching it and I'm trying to scalp it and make money off of. And it's really, really cheap. So is there a possibility it could run? Yeah, it could. It could. It could run up and go up to like 10 cents. Who knows? But I know they have a deadline of they most likely are gonna get delisted. I don't know when. But we will see. So I'm trying to keep an eye on it. I'm trying to make a little bit of money off of it. I don't have much. I'll show you how many shares I have. I have 64. I only put 64 there, okay? If it runs up to $1, then I'm good. If it runs up to 50 cents, I'm good. If I get in profit, I'm good. So I'm right on the borderline, as you can see. My return, I'm right on the borderline. I may add some more to this. I need to see how it's going to move in the next couple of days. Okay, let's go ahead to, I'm watching this one also. I have 24 shares in here. Not a lot. As you can see on this Robinhood account, I don't put a lot on there, okay? I think my biggest holding on Robinhood is that Ttoo, okay? This one, I'm keeping an eye on this. I'm expecting this to run. Let's see. Yeah, I'm expecting this to try to go back up here. This is just my opinion. It fell off the cliff right here a week ago, right here on the 7th. It just fell off the cliff. I don't know what the news is on it, but I seen this. I seen it when it came down, And you know, for a whole year we were up here. It was all up here, okay? So it's a possibility that it could try to take off and head back up. So I have some shares of that, only 24. I may increase my share count on that. And also I did increase my share count on Ttoo right here to 4,000. Like I said I was going to increase it, and I did. Yeah, this is trying to run up a little bit. It looks like things are going to take off, especially like penny stocks. I think penny stocks is going to start having this trend where penny stocks are going to run. Okay, so you may hear that in some news. This is just what I think, because it's leading that way. This is trying to do something, man. If this can go up, if this can really run like up to 20, oh, that'd be great. That'd be so great. Okay, so I got a few shares in there. Look at it, it's doing something. Maybe some news came out, but we will see. It may just be a pre-spike up, and then they probably going to sell it off when the market open. It may be one of those things, but it's trying to do something. This is trying to take off. I had my eye on this. I got only about 10 shares of that. So I'm trying to see what that's going to do. Mullen, I don't know. You know, this reverse split. I know Mullen is doing. Some people are mad about the reverse split, just the same way people were mad about the reverse split on AMC. Okay. Now, no matter what people think about a company, if they know they can make money doing a reverse split and they need to raise money, that's exactly what they're going to do. Even if somewhere in a company something's going on and someone's is being corrupt or managed or whatever, these reverse splits are designed to attract new customers, new retailers, to make the stock appear that it ran up, to grab some of those new retailers, because when a reverse split happens, the stock is going to appear that it's higher when it's really not. So when Mullen does this reverse split, it's probably going to be around $1.08, $1.07, somewhere around there. Just right above where it needs to be compliant, which it's a big plan, right? So, and then the new customers going to come in, they're going to buy the stock, they're going to things run, and then it's probably going to come slam me down a little bit. But Mullen is doing what it does. If it goes any lower after reverse split, I'm definitely not going to buy any. But I will keep my eye on it to see if any good changes come into the company. Okay, so that's it. AMC, I'm not even watching that anymore. I have shares on the back burner, and if it does what it needs to do, then I'm okay. Okay, I don't hold 4,000, 10,000 shares of AMC. That's ridiculous to me. For me, I'm not doing that. Okay, not that, especially the way it's being controlled right now. I think this whole year, I really believe that this whole year, AMC is not going to go anywhere. This is just my thought. AMC is not going to do nothing, okay? Nothing at all. Let's see. So, yeah, I'm keeping an eye on these shares, on these stocks right here, especially this one, because this is the one that's making me money right here. I'm still in profit, see, $632. I haven't took that. Should I have took it when it ran up to like 1,200? Because I came really close to hitting the button when I was in like $1,200 in profit. But then I started thinking like, okay, if I take this and it doesn't go back down far enough, and then I buy back in, my average is going to be higher, right? But I could have scalped it, but I'm not really here to scalp this stock, right? I'm waiting on a key price. And once it hits that key price, I'm going to sell it. And then after that, I don't care where it goes. I don't care if it goes any higher. I got a key price. I'm gonna sell it, and then I'm pretty much done. Then I'll move on to the next one. But that's it, guys. So I covered a lot of different stocks that I'm looking at, because some people are like, what's the next play you're doing? What's the next penny stock you're doing? Well, I'm watching these. Okay, that's why my share count is so small, because I need to see what they're doing right here. Okay. I need to see what this one's doing. I'm on the edge. I'm already negative in that. when I was going to get delisted, which I think is this one. I can't remember the date, but I think this is due to be delisted, but we will see. If you have any news on this stock, leave a comment, okay? Because like I said, we're all here together to learn. This one looks like it's trying to do something. And okay, this is just what I'm watching. And I do believe Mullen's going to go to 10, okay? I've always said that. I do believe it's going to go to 10 probably before this reverse split happens. It's just my thought, okay? We will see if I'm right again. But that's it, guys. I covered a lot of stuff in one. And you guys take care. Don't let no one tell you how to trade, sell your shares, how to when to buy, and don't let no one tell you to hold till it goes to zero. Do your own, do your own thing. It's your money. Don't let no one tell you how to manage your money, especially if they're not a financial advisor. Okay? And that's it. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Peace.